Hi there, Owen Davis here again from Leafield Real Estate. Had another question come up again now. I know I might have talked about this recently, but it just needs to be said again for some reason, because people have been answering this question for, it feels like forever, 1,000 years, but probably more realistically 20 years. Someone's come to me and said, oh, property prices are dropping here in Sydney, or property prices are dropping everywhere. I'm going to wait for that bargain that's going to come along, when property prices have dropped even further. When do you think is going to be the best time to buy, or should I hold out any longer? Is it time to buy now? Have property prices flattened out? And you know what? That is the worst time to make a decision. Or it's the worst. It's the worst reason to make a decision, because you're waiting for property prices to drop. The number one thing for most people who are looking to buy an investment property or any property, their number one consideration is, because for most people, they're needing to borrow money to be able to get into the market. So to be able to borrow money, you have to get it from the bank most of the time. And if they're a first-time investor, or they're a first-home buyer, or they're needing to increase the amount that they're borrowing, or more recently just being able to borrow what you've already got has been a problem. So what does that tell you? It means the most important part of the decision-making process of when to buy is, when can you borrow? Do I have to say it again? It's how much can I borrow, and when, and who from. That is the biggest part of the decision-making process. So don't worry what the market's doing. If you're buying a property, you make money by being in the market. You make money by being in the market, not by timing the market. Because by the time you try to time the market, you probably miss the timing. It's like the stock market. By the time you know it's dropped, it's too late. Or by the time you know it's bottomed out, it's too late. So it's all about being in the market, so you time in the market rather than timing the market. So focus on being able to get approved for a loan that will allow you to get into the market, and that's the best time to buy, when you can get the money. If you wait around too long, you'll miss the mark. And so many people have found that over the last 12 months especially, but the last 2 years. But last year, 2018, was the year that so many people for the first time in their lives could not borrow the money that they wanted to. So what does that tell you? Focus on what you can control, which is trying to get a loan, and let the market do what it's going to do. So go out there and get a loan when you can, and buy when you can. All right. Any more questions? Let me know, please. Or any feedback, let me know, please. Would love to hear from you on any of our platforms. Whether it's you're listening to us on the podcast, or on Facebook, Instagram, any other platforms, please give us some feedback. All right, talk to you soon.